A very warm welcome to the 9th standard students of JC English High School. As of now, in the last class, we have finished the physiography divisions of Karnataka. That was the chapter 2. So, we will proceed with geography's chapter only and we will move towards chapter 3. What is that chapter 3? Chapter 3 is climate, soil, natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka. Okay. So, in this chapter, we will be learning about the climatic condition of the state, the soil, the natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka. But part by part, we will be finishing one after another. So, today we will start with this one. Okay. This climate. We will know about the climate of Karnataka. Okay. So, the thing is, Karnataka has a tropical monsoon climate. What is this tropical monsoon climate? The tropical monsoon climate means main characters of this climate is hot and moist summer and cool and dry winters. Okay, the summer seasons are very hot and dry and the winters are very summers are very hot and moist and the winters are dry and cool. Okay, so next is annual temperature and distribution of rain are not same all over the state due to geographical location and physical features, etc. Okay, what the temperature it is there in Mysuru, it will not be as same as in other place of the state. Suppose Vijaypura is having a temperature, okay, and your Chikmagalur is having some other types of other levels of temperature. So temperature is not same throughout the state samely. Okay, it differs, but why it differs? It differs due to the geographical location and physical features of the state. Now we will go for the climatic season of Karnataka. Okay, very easy it is. Okay, only one thing you will start, the third point, that also I will make you understand. The first one is the summer season. Summer season is from March to May. Next is rainy season. This is from June to September. Third one is period of retreating monsoon. That if you are not understanding this, once we come to the point, that time I will describe you in vividly. Okay. And the last one is the winter season. So when is the period of retreating monsoon? October to November. And winter season, it is from December to February. Okay. So first we will start off with the summer. Okay. Once we complete summer, then only we will go for the next one, that is rainy season. So summer season of Karnataka. Climate of Karnataka can be divided into 4 parts, which are as follows: summer season, rainy season, period of retreating monsoon and winter season. Now during this season, means summer, it is very hot, dry and sultry. Sultry means hot and humid. Okay, sultry means hot and humid. This one I have given in the keywords also. After March, the temperature rises uniformly all over the state and reaches maximum temperature during the month of April and May. What happened? Till February it is your winter season. Once the winter is over, in the month of this February, after that you will be having the temperature, it will start increasing. So temperature increases means the climatic condition will be hot and dry. Okay, so what happened after March? Uniformly means it's not that in one day, means only on 1st March you will get 45 degree. Uniformly means first it will be 28, then it will reach to 30, 32, 34. Uniformly it will start increasing, and in the main month of April and May, the whole state is under the dry and hot humid climate. Means that time is the proper time of the summer season. Okay. Raichur, a place in Karnataka, it is the hottest place every year. The temperature of this place is every time high, and one time it has a record temperature of 45.6 degree Celsius. So this is the hottest place, Raichur in Karnataka. Humidity is lower in northern Maidan than in the southern Maidan. Okay, humidity means presence of water, okay, in the air, which makes us sweat and all. So humidity is lower in northern Maidan than in the southern Maidan. Okay, humidity is low in northern Maidan. Okay. During summer, due to great evaporation, rain-bearing clouds are produced which bring convectional rain along with lightning and thunder. Okay, what happened during your summer season? What happened? The sun becomes more hot. So what happened? The evaporation started. Once the evaporation started, evaporation means the vapor going up. Okay, so at one place it will again come down. So due to that, okay, what happened? That time when it is too hot, after that we get a rain. That is the result of that evaporation. Okay, the hailstones fall in some places. Hailstone is nothing but this type of this chalk piece you can see like this white in color. They are small pieces of ice. Okay, in some places sometime we can find that this rainfall, those small tiny this ice pieces are coming. Okay, that is known as hailstone, and this is known as cherry blossom. Cherry blossom means cherry is a fruit, red color. Okay, which we use for toppings of cake. Okay, so but these hailstones are looking like a cherry. So this is known as, when that type of showers are coming or rainfall is having that type of small type of that hailstone, that is known as cherry blossom. About 7% of the annual rainfall of the state occurs during this state. Okay, in the summer season rainfall is less, but yes, 1 or 2 or maybe 3, 4, 5 times it may rain. So out of the 100% of rain what Karnataka is getting throughout the year, out of that only 7% Karnataka receives during the summer season. Next is our rainy season. Okay, so rainy season, everybody of you know about rain. Okay, which is rainy season, also known as the season of southwest monsoon winds, also known as the season of southwest monsoon wind. Monsoon also, you know, once after your summer, the monsoon wind will come from Arabian Sea and it will flow on our total India, and it got stuck with Himalaya, and again when it returned back we get the rainfall. Okay, the Western Ghat checks the moisture laden winds blowing from Arabian Sea, resulting in heavy rain. See, once the air is coming, that monsoon wind is coming from Arabian Sea, it got stuck in the Western Ghat. Okay, and as it is getting stuck there, what happened? It will again come back, and once it's come back, that time only the place nearer to that one gets heavy rainfall. Okay. As it moves eastward, the amount of rainfall reduces. When after that, see, now the rainfall has come. Okay, your rainy season started. After some time, what happened? That wind will go towards eastern side, and once it starts traveling towards eastern side, what happened? The rainfall get reduced. Okay, as the eastern Maidan is rain shadow area, so eastern Maidan is known as also rain shadow area. So when in that eastern part the air will go, what will happen? The rainfall will get reduced. Agumbe is an area of heavy rainfall area. Hence it is called Cherrapunji of South India. See, Agumbe is a place in Karnataka which receives the most heavy rainfall in the state, and as it is receiving most heavy rainfall, so it is known as Cherrapunji of India. What is Cherrapunji? Cherrapunji is a place in India who receives most of the rain throughout the year. Out of 365 days, 360 days it is raining in this Cherrapunji. It's in India and it is world famous for its rainfall. Okay, Bhagamandala and Hulikal are the other places of heavy rainfall. Apart from Agumbe, these are the two places who also receives heavy rainfall. Nayaknahatti near Chelakere in Chitradurga records the lowest rainfall. See, Agumbe, then Bhagamandala and Hulikal, these are the places who receives most of the rainfall, means heavy rainfall. Like that, one place is there, Nayaknahatti. Okay, this is near Chelakere in Chitradurga, records the lowest rainfall. During this season, Karnataka receives about 80% of its rainfall. Okay, during this season means rainfall season, rainy season, it receives 80% of its rainfall throughout the year. This help for the cultivation of Kharif crops. Okay, one thing, Kharif crops. What is Kharif crop? It is also known as monsoon crop or autumn crop. Rice, maize and cotton are some of the major Kharif crops. So go through these two. In the next class I will be discussing about another two seasons. Thank you.